Hello, my friends. This is Linda from AUKE Storage Equipment Company. AUKE Company was established in 2008, covering 10,000 square meters. AUKE mainly focuses on the auto parts, lean production, intralogistics, and intelligent warehousing. So we supply parts cleaning, turnover storage solutions. I will show you what we have. Okay, this one and this one and this one, we call it wear basket. This one and this one and this, we call it mesh basket. The others, like this and this, we call it perforated basket. Can you see the difference of them? They are all tailor-made, and all of them are made of stainless steel or carbon steel. Okay, I will show you the next main product, this and the green. We call it storage cages. From this one, we can see that it's foldable and stackable. When unfolded, it's like this. So if you have any parts, cleaning, storage, and turnover problems, don't worry about it. Let professionals handle it. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.